Hi, good morning everyone. I am today video is going to see alkali and alkaline earth metals. Today discuss about sodium carbonate. The important compounds of alkali metals. First one sodium carbonate, second one sodium chloride, third one sodium hydroxide, fourth one sodium bicarbonate. And then first discuss about sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is one of the important inorganic compounds used in industries. It is prepared by saliva process. In this process, ammonia is converted into ammonia carbonate, which then converted to ammonia bicarbonate by processing excess carbon dioxide in a sodium chloride solution. The ammonium bicarbonate thus formed react with the sodium chloride to give sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. As sodium bicarbonate has poor solubility and get precipitated, the sodium bicarbonate is isolated and is heated to give sodium carbonate. The equations involved in this process: a reaction 2NH3 plus H2O plus CO2. The step is first one, CO2 carbon dioxide added, ammonia with ammonium carbonate product. It is prepared by a Solvay process. In this process, ammonia is converted into ammonium carbonate, which then converted to ammonium bicarbonate by passing excess carbon dioxide in sodium chloride solution started with ammonia. The first reactions, ammonia added to water and added to carbon dioxide, ammonium carbonate. The second reaction, the first reactant to ammonium carbonate reacted to water, reacted to carbon dioxide. Uh, uh, Product, ammonium bicarbonate. Then third step, ammonium bicarbonate added sodium chloride, ammonium chloride and ammonium bicarbonate. Another one equations, sodium bicarbonate reactive product, sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide and water molecules. Additional product, carbon dioxide and water molecules, the main product of sodium carbonate. The next one, properties. Sodium carbonate of properties. Sodium carbonate, commonly known as washing soda, crystallizes as declarate, which is white in color. It is soluble in water and forms alkaline solutions. Upon heating, it loses the water of crystallizations to form monohydrate. Above 373 Kelvin, the monohydrate becomes completely anhydrous and changes to white powder called soda ash. Soda ash means sodium carbonate. See this reaction, sodium carbonate hydrate, sodium carbonate hydrates water molecules, 9 water molecules, 10 water molecules, 1 eliminate to 9 water molecules, sodium carbonate water, sodium carbonate plus water. Uses of sodium carbonate. First point, sodium carbonate known as washing soda and it is used mainly for laundry. It is also used in water treatment to convert the hot water to soft water. It is used in manufacturing of glass, paper, paint, etc. Then industries, use of industries, etc. The second one discuss sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means cooking salt or table salt. Sodium chloride is isolated by evaporations from seawater which contains 2.7 to 2.9% by mass. Approximately 50 lakhs tons of salt are produced annually in India by solar evaporation. Second point, crude sodium chloride can be obtained by crystallizations of brine solution which contains sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride as impurities. Pure sodium chloride can be obtained from crude salt as follows. Firstly, removal of insoluble impurities by filtrations from the crude salt solution with minimum amount of water. Sodium chloride can be crystallized by passing HCl gas into this solution. Calcium and magnesium chloride being more soluble than sodium chloride remain in solutions. Uses of sodium chloride. It is used as a common salt or table salt for domestic purpose, and it is used for the preparation of many inorganic compounds such as sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate. They discuss about another topic of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is prepared commercially by electrolysis of brine solutions in Kastner-Kellner cell using a mercury cathode and a carbon anode. Sodium metals is discharged at the cathode and combines with mercury to form sodium amalgam. Chlorine gas is evolved at a anode. The sodium amalgam thus obtained is treated with water to give sodium hydroxide. At cathode, sodium ion electron, sodium amalgam. At anode, chlorine of chlorine electrons. Sodium hydroxide is a white translate, is a solid that dissolves in water to give a strong alkaline solutions. It melts at 591 Kelvin. The sodium hydroxide solutions at the surface react with carbon dioxide in atmosphere to form sodium carbonate. The uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used in the purifications of borax and petroleum refining. It is used in the textile industries for cotton fabric. It is used in the manufacturing of soap paper and artificial skills. The last one I discuss about sodium bicarbonate. Molecular formula NaHCO3 baking soda. Sodium hydroxide carbonate or sodium bicarbonate is used in baking cake, presets, etc. It is called so because it decomposes on heating to generate bubbles of carbon dioxide, leaving holes in cakes or pasties and making them light and flowy. This compound is prepared by saturating a solutions of sodium carbonate with carbon dioxide. The white crystalline powder of sodium bicarbonate being less soluble precipitate. Primarily used as an ingredient in baking uses of sodium bicarbonate. Second point, sodium bicarbonate uses sodium hydrogen carbonate is a mild antiseptic for skin infections. Is also used in fire extinguishers. The first group element, alkali metals of biological importance of sodium and potassium. Alkali metals, biological importance of sodium and potassium. Monovalent sodium and potassium ions are found in large properties in biological fluids. These ions perform important biological functions such as maintenance of ion balance and nerves impulse conductance. What is sodium ion? What is the biological importance of sodium? Sodium ion play a diverse and important role in name physiological process, acting to regulate blood volume, blood pressure, osmotic equilibrium and pH values. What is the importance of potassium? The potassium, sodium and potassium, although so similarly chemically different quantity in their stability to penetrate cell membranes, in their transport mechanism, in their efficiency to activate enzymes. Thus, potassium ions are the most abundant contents within cell fluids. Where they activate many enzymes, participates in the oxidations of glucose to produce adenosine triphosphate, and with sodium are responsible for the transmissions of nervous symptoms. The biological importance of sodium and potassium. Sodium-potassium pump. Sodium and potassium pump. Sodium ions, potassium ions. This is the pictures. Today videos is over. Tomorrow next topic, alkaline earth metals discuss.